will discuss this problem and find the best way of solving this problem again. And we have a conclusion that everybody is happy.
TESh is a community-based organization which unites EFL teachers in the South Kazakhstan area. Since its establishment in 1997, TESh has developed several directions of its activities. For example, EFL teacher professional development, language proficiency development among the general public, international partnership development, cooperation with the National Association of ELT, NATIC, and human rights development through the Civic Aliens activities. The major interest of the organization covers the professional development of EFL teachers who are the main beneficiaries of TESh projects.
Для себя я, например, открыла, что по разным типам детей требуются различные объяснения.
I've discovered for myself that different types of people need different kinds of explanations. For example, I think that everything I learned at the seminar I will use in my lessons. I will conduct my classes in a more interesting manner and make them easier to understand.
The project Independent Student Development via Web Technologies was initiated by the alumni of the following international programs: Hornby Trust Program, International Visitor Leadership Program, Teacher Award Program, Junior Faculty Development Program, and Bolshak. TESh members are leaders in the sphere of education. They are professional teachers who always strive for the best teaching practices and knowledge to share with their colleagues. This project is supported by the Department of Culture and Education of the United States Embassy.
И вот этот курс охватывал 10 часов или 5 занятий, где каждый учитель имел возможность посидеть перед компьютером и действительно вот опробировать все то, что новое сейчас имеется.
This course lasts 10 hours and everyone could work and sit at the computers and experiment with new technologies and programs. The second level of the program course embraces methods as practice elements. First, the participants complete the practical course in computer technologies, yet it does not end there. The knowledge acquired through these methods continue teaching every student with each consecutive class.
Учебные задания, подобные тем, которые они выполняют со своими учениками, но с более такой вот насыщенной тематикой. Компьютерная технология – это не сама цель. То есть компьютерная технология лишь является средством для того, чтобы вы лучше научили каждого студента. И ключевым моментом курса является, и вообще всех наших курсов является, что можно научить каждого студента, а не всех.
Since secondary schools and educational establishments are being equipped with multimedia classes, smartboards, and internet, TESh leaders have set a goal to support teachers with computer and web technologies inclusion into their lessons. That is why a project that is targeted at training teachers to use information and communications technologies at EFL classes has been effective.
Научились пользоваться как инструментом, интерактивной доской, и считаем, что это интересно.
We learn to use the interactive board as a tool, and I think that is interesting for students. Everything we used before is considered the past. Our children enjoy such classes.
Это все вчерашний день. Вот, детям интересно, студентам интересно именно то, что вот мы видим сейчас на уроках.
Это намного интереснее, когда видишь перед собой всякие, когда выходят слайды, когда ты можешь смотреть на доску, видеть.
It's more interesting to look at slides, pictures, clips, and mini-clips. It is better learning topics with this method of teaching.
Даже клипы, мини-клипы.
What distinguishes this course from similar ones is that apart from face-to-face classes, the course covers independent work of trainees and utilizes new technologies such as PowerPoint, Wiki, blogs, and forums at training classes. Moreover, independent work involves action research and development of an article, demonstration classes, or a workshop.
Я попросила студентов записать оценку, которую выставила им машина.
I asked students to write their scores given by the computer. For example, the evaluation is independent and they cannot complain that their scores are not fair because the computer counts their marks itself. Moreover, it is a variety and not simply a monotonous lesson. More importantly, they work on their own.
Another interesting feature of this project is that being members of NATIC, National Association of Teachers of English in Kazakhstan, the leaders of the project have an opportunity to involve alumni from other regions of the country. In the meantime, they worked with Professor Kerim Kulova from KBTU and Professor Assistant Jen Stastava from Karaganda State University. Pedagogical materials with practical and methodological application of ICT and EFL classes were developed before and during the course. These materials will be published after the close of the project. The closing stage of this project will feature an online conference which will include leaders and members of CalSig and NatTech.